Hey guys, I think I figured out what the problem is. So I was actually gonna uninstall and put up the Hunter Stratford over there. And I was actually like, I was actually plugging it in, and and then I'd pull the pole chain, it like spinned. Well, not spin, but I heard it was like, so I had to like spin it and then like spin because you can actually spin in either direction. So I think I can figure out the problem. So let me show you. I think it could be the reverse switch. Just focus. There we go. Let's see what it is. Is it? No, it doesn't look that blown. I think the reverse switch right there. I think this must be the problem. I think it's supposed to be the problem. Don't see any issues on the capacitor. Because I don't know, if there was a wire here or not. Here, I'm gonna compare it to their phones. So hang on a second. Again, let's see what the difference is. No, the capacitors they look fine. I'm using the S.M.C Park Avenue, switch cup. Could be a bad, pull chain. Let's see what that is. I don't know if that's a problem, but let's check though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one has 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it does have 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't think it's the pull chain's problem. So that there. Anyways, so that's I don't believe it's the capacitor's problem. Because the capacitor looks fine to me. It's not where it was disconnected, but it is very dusty too. So, that could be the problem. I don't think so. So I think the reverse switch is I think it's like messed up because I think this one's like blue wire right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. No, probably not because it's so blurry, but Oh, let's go to the reverse switch, but hang on guys, I'm gonna put this back up. Alright, this is not the original plug, this is not the original switch plug, but it's right here. I actually used, this is the S.M.C Emperor 93, switch cup. I tried it on there, and it worked. So I don't know why that S.M.C thing, that, the switch cup was having a little problem. So I think it could be so it's high. Yeah, it's off. It's high. I'm surprised it worked. At first I thought it was broken. I think it could be something with the switch light. I don't think so. Because I think it just has to do something with that, the original one. Reverse. Sorry it's so wobbly, it's just have to loosen the blade brackets. Or reverse it back. So my problem is, I think, could be the reverse switch. I think that could be the trouble. So I don't think there's something I have to do in here, but oh well, I think I figured out the problem now. So hopefully I might have to go Lowe's to get a reverse switch, or new pole chain, but there you have it. That's my S.M.C. Thank you guys for watching. I will be doing a full demonstration. I may actually take this fan back down for now, because I am going to be putting it to Stratford. And after that, I'll probably put this thing back up, or I could probably put the one back up. But well, there you have it. I think I figured out the problem. So I think it could be the plug. I don't think it's the plug. I think it might be the reverse switch or something. So there you go.